name is Samantha from the Winona Public Library, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make glitter candle jars from our Galentine's to Go kit. So here are the supplies that we're going to need. We're going to need our jar, a tea light, a paintbrush, Mod Podge, mine's in a bowl, yours will be in a container, and glitter. Your glitter will be in a container. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the lid from our jar. Everything we're going to do today is going to be inside the jar. So next we're going to take our paintbrush. We're going to dip it into our Mod Podge and get as much as we can onto our paintbrush. And then we're going to apply the Mod Podge to the inside of our jar. And we're just going to get it in all the areas that we want to see our Mod Podge or our glitter. So anywhere you want glitter, if it's on the bottom of your jar, if it's on the sides, make sure you apply it. When you put your glitter in your jar, you will find those areas that you missed applying your Mod Podge to, but that's okay because you can always go back later and apply more Mod Podge. So go ahead and just start applying it. And just as a reminder, Mod Podge applies white but dries clear. So for mine, I'm going to do the sides first. So I'm applying all of my Mod Podge to the sides. And then I'm going to also apply the Mod Podge to the bottom of my jar. One area I'm not going to do is right here because that's where my lid is going to be, so nobody's really going to see the glitter anyhow. So now what I'm doing is I'm just applying my Mod Podge to the bottom of my jar. And you don't have to go too heavy with Mod Podge. You can go fairly light with Mod Podge, and it will still grab the glitter. All right. Okay, so now I have my jar applied with Mod Podge, and I'm going to take my glitter. You don't have to go too crazy with your glitter, but you can take your glitter and your jar, pour your glitter into your jar. And then you are going to put your lid on your jar and you're just going to shake. Shake it as much as you can. Twirl your jar. We want to make sure we get as much glitter in all the areas as possible. So just shake, shake, shake. So again, remember, it dries clear. So it might not look like there's glitter everywhere, but if I open my jar up, there for sure is glitter there. Give it another shake. And you can actually hear the excess glitter in there. Okay. Make sure I get my sides. Okay. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and open up your jar. And if you have excess glitter, feel free, if you want to save it for later for another activity, or if you feel like you might miss some of your jar, keep it for later. So now that I have this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it aside and open with my lid off. And I'm going to leave it there for 24 hours to dry. Mod Podge is best if you leave it for 24 hours. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my tea light and I'm going to add it to my jar, and I'll have my glitter candle jar. Thanks for watching and have a happy Galentine's Day. Thanks.